everyone's Louise with Louise McCare, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be going for another wandering straight pour. And just so you're aware, I'm a person that likes to practice. So just before I even started the camera up, I was actually practicing with my cup and how I would be maneuvering around, trying to get a comfort level with my technique and how I control the cup. This technique, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. And honestly, the bloom to me is so much easier than this. But yeah, this is a 16 by 20. I got 2 cups again. I might end up having a third. I got a baby cup over here in case I need another one. My colors, I can't swear by them all. I've got, this is black. Actually, this one is by, it's Mars Black and it's Liquitex. This is Bordeaux Red. It's fully Bordeaux Red, nothing in it. There's my consistency. And this is the tricky part to me, is getting this consistency right. And then getting the layering. I've been playing around, mostly 24 karat gold. And I can't swear by the rest, although in this white does have some satin enamel in it. I've got a phthalo blue. I've got quinacridone Nicolazzo gold with some Pebeo iridescent copper in it. And it's really, and it is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it. Here's a combination of yellow. It's very bright. And then this is a combination turquoise. So I'm going to just tell you straight up front here, as I'm running this video, I will be cutting out sections. I'll probably be fast forwarding through the layering of the cup, and I'll be cutting out a lot of stuff. But you'll get the gist of what I'm doing. And if there's anything I've learned, I need to have my paints thick. I don't need to have, my consistency, my combination here is mostly Floetrol now. So I've got about 80% Floetrol, about 20% Liquitex gloss medium, and a splash of GAC 800. And I just got to go for it. You know, you sit here, I don't know about you guys, I'm just going to talk for a second. For me, I sometimes put myself into a paralysis by overthinking too much. I got to put on music, I got to put on like classical music to make me relax and get into the flow. Especially when you're doing something you're not used to, because when you're doing something you're not used to doing, of course it's going to be uncomfortable. That's where I'm living right now. It's trying to get a comfort level with this that I'm calling my regular paints. So I guess I should just get started. Oh, I also have black because I want to have negative space in here within the pour. So, and I've got some float paint here. So I've got black scraps float paint, and I've got black for in between. And I'm just delaying here. Pardon me. All right, let's just get started. I'll have all of the colors and the formula, as to the best of my knowledge, listed in the description. So you'll have it. So I'm going to go and fast forward here and cut out all of the spots where I'm just putting the cup back and picking a new cup up. You can see what I'm doing. I've included all the paints and layering, so I'm just going to let it play and I'm going to put on some music. Wish me luck, everybody. The moment of truth. Everyone, I'm going to pick up the pace here again, as you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now that's some craziness right there. Kind of left myself not much room to play. Oh God. I think I need to do something in there. I'm gonna need to come back through here and do something. I don't know what. That's crazy. This is the crazy making. All right, filling in the gaps. This is just so much fun. This is so crazy. Crazy. Okay, now I gotta be very careful. Let's start with the littlest ones first. I know, I'm just crazy to do this in the first place. Okay, whew, one done. Keep the cup away from the painting, for crying out loud, Louise. So all I'm gonna do now is go around where there's all the white space in between the pour. I'm going to fill it with black. So I'm gonna do some jump skipping in fast pace here. Okay. See where we go. Torch it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this balance. I'm gonna try to go over here. I don't want to lose that if I can, but I want to get over here. So let's get going. It's pretty balanced. If you like bright and colorful, this is it. Wow. There's a lot to learn with this. Wow. I have no idea what to make of this. It's so abstract. It's weird, there's color showing up in the negative space. How is that happening? All right, I think I'm about done. I'm at 46 minutes, so I gotta call it done. I'm not sure at all which way this goes, but what I'll do now is I'll clean off my sides and bottoms, my bottom, so I have no more paint pulling off. And yeah, we'll call her finished. I'll get you for an overhead as soon as I'm done with all that. So here are the final wet results. Now, after I took the camera off, I went around and I did some embellishing, just touches. I don't even know if you can see, little swoops into the negative space. I love this starburst here. I pulled some of the blue into the black there, and I pulled some of the black into the blue. I've got a lot to learn. This looks like candy right there. Candy ribbon, ribbon candy. I got a lot to learn, I know. But this is a lot of fun. And I love the way the gold and the white played here and the yellow. So lots to learn as far as color combinations, where to stack them, and how to pour it. So everyone, that's a wrap. That was the wet results, and now here are the dry results. Varnish with 2 coats of gloss varnish from Liquitex. And I'm going to do a little zoom over right now. I really, really love this section with the gold, the yellow, the teal, turquoise, and the white. It just is bright like a flame. And then I come down here and over here, I love that burst of color with the red and the yellow and the gold. And this is quite a unique thing. It's quite a unique piece, and it pretty much goes with the last one I did, since I did use quite a few of the same colors because I already had them mixed up. So let me know what you guys think. Is this something for me to continue to pursue? I'd really appreciate your thoughts on this. And if there's some technique you'd like me to try, let me know that too in the comments. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. Till next time.